Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to focus on the irregular verb teach, taught, taught. In American English you can say teach, taught, taught. We'll explore its different meanings, different uses, and reinforce everything with clear example sentences. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. You can say teach someone something. You can say teach something to someone, like he teaches maths to teenagers. The most common meaning is to give someone knowledge or to train someone, to instruct. We use this meaning mostly at schools and learning environments. Let's see some more examples. I am teaching English to Italian students. This means I'm giving them knowledge or skills in English. He teaches geography at the local secondary school. So, he is an instructor or teacher for that subject. Another common use of teach is where we are showing someone how to do something step by step. For example, in the future, robots will teach children how to read. That's a fun idea, robots as teachers. My father taught me to swim. Here, he showed me how to do it properly in a pool, guiding me step by step. In this case, you're not just giving knowledge, you're also demonstrating how it is done. Next, teach can also mean to show or tell someone how they should behave, what they should think. For example, when I was young, we were taught to treat older people with respect. This is more about behavior and values. He taught me that the easy option isn't always the best one. So here teach is used for life lessons and moral ideas, not just academic ones. Sometimes experiences or situations can teach you things, not a person, but life itself. So if an experience or situation teaches you something, it helps you to understand something about life. Experience has taught me to avoid certain areas of the city. This means over time, life has shown me what's safe and what's not. It certainly taught me that work and money aren't the most important things in life. This is a personal reflection here, very common in English when we talk about learning through living. So remember, it's not always a teacher in a classroom. Life itself can teach us powerful lessons. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences with different tones and contexts. That'll teach you to be late. This is an informal, even humorous way of saying, you got what you deserved. I hope a night in the cells has taught you a lesson. That's more serious, meaning the punishment should change your future behavior. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. This is a famous idiom, meaning it's hard to change someone's habits, especially when they are older. She loves to teach English as a second language. A simple positive sentence showing someone's passion. It's important to teach children values like honesty. This is about teaching not only facts, but also character and morals. Failure taught me the hard way that I need to study more. We often use the hard way when we have learned from mistakes. The manager was teaching me up on how to handle it. Here, teaching me up is a more informal or regional variation of saying someone was instructing or showing me what to do. And there you have it, the irregular verb teach, taught, taught. From classrooms to life lessons, teach is a verb we use all the time, and now you know exactly how to use it. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below if you have ever been taught something in an unusual way. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.